What if I told you that your 9-to-5 job is keeping you poor? And your house, the one you're reworking so hard to pay off? Isn't really an asset? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Rich Dad Poor Dad teaches. And today, I'm breaking down 20 life-changing money lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's timeless bestseller. This isn't just a book about money. It's a book about mindset, freedom, and breaking out of the rat race. Stick with me till the end, because the final lesson might just flip your entire financial belief system upside down. If you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth, hit that like button and let's dive in. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them, Poor Dad says. Get a secure job, Rich Dad says. Build systems that make money even when you sleep. Lesson 2. Financial education is more valuable than a degree. Most schools teach us how to work for money, not how to make money work for us, Kiyosaki says. Learn about assets, liabilities, income, expenses. Lesson 3. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. A car, a liability, a rental property, is an asset. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. Lesson 4. Your house is not always an asset. Just because it has value doesn't mean it's making you money. If it's costing you monthly, it's not building wealth. Lesson 5. The rat race is real and dangerous. Wake up, go to work, pay bills, repeat. Kiyosaki calls it the rat race. The goal: escape it, not survive it. Lesson 6. Mind your own business even if you have a job. Start building your own asset column. Real estate, stocks, intellectual property, build your financial engine. Lesson 7. The power of passive income. True wealth comes when money flows in with minimal effort. Focus on income streams like rentals, dividends, royalties. Lesson 8. Work to learn, not to earn. Early in life, don't chase the paycheck. Chase skills. Learn sales, marketing, accounting, leadership. Lesson 9. Taxes favor the financially educated. Rich people use corporations, write-offs, and tax strategy. Learn how to legally pay less by playing smarter. Lesson 10. Fear and greed control most people. People are afraid of losing money and greedy for more, which traps them. Kiyosaki says, master your emotions. Play the long game. Lesson 11. Be a lifelong learner. Read books. Study the markets. Learn from failures. The rich are students, always upgrading their financial intelligence. Lesson 12. The importance of financial statements. Track your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Kiyosaki, your numbers tell the truth, not your feelings. Lesson 13. Take calculated risks. Poor Dad feared failure. Rich Dad embraced it. You can't grow if you don't risk. Just learn first, then leap. Lesson 14. Build or buy businesses. Jobs make you a living. Businesses build wealth. Even small side hustles can become assets over time. Lesson 15. Real estate equals freedom. Rich Dad believed in buying property that generates cash flow, not drains it. Lesson 16. Don't rely on one source of income. Most people rely on one job, one paycheck. Kiyosaki urges multiple income streams to protect and grow. Lesson 17. Sales and marketing are essential life skills. Can you pitch an idea? Close a deal. Sell yourself. Rich Dad says, sales equals survival. Lesson 18. Hire people smarter than you. Build teams. Delegate tasks. Be a business owner, not a solo worker. Lesson 19. Start small, but start now. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start learning. Start investing. Start building. Lesson 20. Money is a game. Learn the rules or be played. Financial ignorance is expensive. Learn the rules, beat the game, live free. Here's the truth. If you want to be rich, you need to think rich, not just work hard. Rich Dad Poor Dad isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about changing your money mindset for good. If this summary opened your eyes, drop a comment. I choose financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to break out of the rat race. Stay tuned for more powerful book summaries that build your mind and your money. Till next time, stay wealthy in wisdom.